same. And some. Yeah. The details?
Oh, some of the details on each model?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So for the SD70 ACE, obviously there's a lot of print going on too.
Okay.
But we specifically pulled out the PTC antenna here, and then also it has the right inverter cabinet with the right grill on there. We have several different variants for that. Let's see. And this is a style that also has the ditch lights in the front versus the back. We have a version of like for the Norfolk Southern that has the ditch lights in back version, you know.
Yeah, prototypical.
Yeah, it's road specific detail on all the locomotives you see. They're in our Genesis line. Yeah. So we only release the models that are as close to real as they get. So.
Okay. And any new stuff with the SC60Es?
Yeah, 60Es, there's a lot of specific things on there that I can kind of go over with you. Starting off with some of the unsung things here is special kick plate that actually has the horse heads etched into them. If you go to our black version, it has a different kick plate on the side.
Okay.
Also, a new feature for Genesis are the step wells with the see-through steps on it. It might be kind of hard to...
Oh, I got it because it shined through your shirt.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Another feature too are the side windows here. Some of them have like an oval style. They're rounded corner. These are square corner.
Okay.
And also this one has pretty much the rebuilt stock fuel tank Norfolk Southern had for a while, the crash resistant one. We have that version of it too. That's on, I think, the black.
Okay.
The black models.
Yeah.
So a lot of different detail that's specific to the road number, actually.
You guys went all out with those.
Absolutely. It's a signature locomotive to the Norfolk Southern.
And that has to be like my favorite paint scheme over all the special engines.
They did a neat job on it. It's a cool fire engine inspired scheme, you know?
Yeah. Well, thanks for doing the interview.
Yeah, no problem.
I will budget for that. I don't want just 2. I want the ones with the 6 and 6. Yeah. So I'll take 15 of them. Okay. Okay. And I don't know how many engines I have. I always buy them. I'll buy 3 and I'll use all of them.
Hey dude.
What's up? We meet
Sorry,
again.
I get really starstruck really easily. I like love your videos, man.
Thanks. You want to be in one?
What?
You want to be in one?
Hell yeah.
So what's your name?
Chip.
You want to shout out your channel?
It's I Am Killjoy.
Everyone go subscribe to him. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
No problem.
What are we shooting here? What train symbol is this?
I don't know. It's UP. I don't follow UP.
It looks like the Kilo 9 beat.
Yeah. He's shaking the camera so much, man.
I love refrigerator cars, dude. Oh, he's put a tanker on the front. Oh.
We can do that.
So what's new with Scale Train, Shane?
Well, a ton of new products here at the 2018 Railroad Hobby Show. First of all, thanks for stopping by and taking some time with us. We announced this back in November. Of course, this is the HO C39-8. Several different versions between Conrail and Norfolk Southern. And of course, a couple of unique things. If you're a Southern Pacific fan, we've of course got the units that were leased out to SP. And one thing to share with your viewers, we had some feedback from folks about how like NS and Conrail might not have operated in their world. Well, we've got a lot of cool pictures. So we've seen these on BN, Chicago Northwestern, right out in California. So these really made it coast to coast. So for a really unique locomotive in your consist, C39 will be a perfect addition. Looking for delivery of those coming out this summer.
Okay.
And then we'll do PS4785s.
Yeah.
Another recent announcement for us, this was announced in October, coming out this spring, is the PS4785 hopper. Several different versions within this. There's an early version, a mid-production, and a late. The late has the shear plates on it. A lot of different details, of course. Being a rivet counter model, it's going to have things like rotating bearing caps, all the metal detail parts. And then, of course, the operator version is going to hit that value price point. As we walk over here for the show, our next all-new product, and believe it or not, this is our 36th all-new model in just over 2 years. And that's going to be the N-Scale Gunderson 5188. Just like its big brother, the HO counterpart, which is coming in February. We've got 3 different body styles, 2 different types of outlet gates, 2 different types of hatches. Of course, like in scale, we're really pushing that envelope with separately applied grab irons, see-through roof walks, see-through crossovers. All the brake plumbing is there. Of course, metal wheels, body-mounted knuckle couplers. Up to 22 different road numbers on the BNSF if you're doing an earthworm train. The first time for the correct heritage units for BN, Santa Fe, and Northern Pacific. They're the ones with the horizontal ribs on the side. And then the KCS Bell. Lots of folks have put that on a Trinity 5161, but it's actually a Gunderson body. So this will be the first correct body. And the HO versions, by the way, are on the way to us now, and they'll be out in February. And then coming on around, on the far side, we won't go into too much depth. We're doing the next run of N-scale turbines. We're doing number 30, which has got the long exhaust tubes in the B unit. Another new release, first sample, first time we've shown it, is the ET44 in the number 2015, real unique with the green and the white and blue paint scheme. And then above that, SC40-2s, 5 new road names, including Conrail. Conrail's got the new Flexicoil truck on it, several Conrail specific features. We've also got NW, BNSF, UP, and then some EMD lease, including the blue and white scheme, as well as the X2 ex-Milwaukee Bandits. And then finally over here, can't get to it at the moment, but on the third shelf down are some BNSF and other, we're doing BNSF, CSX, NS, CN, UP in the operator series for the Tier 4 GEVO, and we're really trying to work on value price points. This will be with ESU's new Essential Sound Unit, which is also DCC, and selling price is going to be $149.99 on those. And then finally we have a new catalog, and inside the catalog is the next run of boxcars. Okay. And there's several charity boxcars that we're on, the Wisconsin and Southern will do. A portion of the proceeds from those will go to some respective charities. So, a ton of new stuff. We really appreciate you coming by at the show.
Well, thanks for the business. You put out a lot of good models.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Oh, Brian, oh yeah, this is awesome stage.
Passion for a favorite hobby drives you always ScaleTrans.com to develop products that modelers will be excited to own. Whether it's a museum-quality masterpiece, a simple-to-build kit, or realistic assembled models. The next time you're browsing ScaleTrans.com website or visiting a select hobby retailer, be sure to check out all the ScaleTrans.com models with a magnifying glass. With ScaleTrans.com, you will see the difference.
put it there.